Hello, and I'm Nab, and today I'm going to make my own ball bounce game. So let me start. So in the when run command, I'll use launch new ball so we can get a ball and we have to score it in this goal. Launch new ball, and then I would like to set the paddle this thing to a fast speed so you can move it very fast and normal for ball speed. And now, for the move left arrow, I'm going to use move left. So when we like this, we can move left, and but we can't move right because we didn't keep the when right command. Now we'll move right. Now when the ball hits the paddle, we can make the ball bounce, and then we can play a sound. And when the ball hits the walls right here, it's supposed to reflect back. So I'll again use the bounce ball command, but before that we're going to again use a sound and keep wood, because and now we can keep bounce ball, and we see when ball in goal, we'll use the score point command. Now we have used it, but now we don't have any negative point, right? So now we have to make that. Yeah, when ball misses paddle, we can score the opponent point. First, let's play some sound. Win point. No, not win point. It's supposed to be lose point. Yeah. And then when ball and goal, we'll also keep a sound called win point. Yeah, win point. And then score point. Clear, and then score opponent point. So I think so our game is done. Let's click run and see. Look, it's bouncing. So we got score 1. And now let me just okay. So now our problem is that no ball has come and our game is over. So it's not supposed to be like. So when the ball is in, so now the game's problem is actually that after we are done scoring one one goal, a new ball doesn't come. So I have a solution for that. So when the ball is in goal, we can click on launch new ball. So since it is a tough game, we're gonna do two balls. And now let's see our game. So our score is 1 now. Yeah, look, another ball has come. Look, the game is tough now, and it's very fun to play. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.